Dear student, welcome you all in this video. Here we will learn methods to find HCF. So there are three methods: factor method, prime factorization method, and continued division method. So here we will take one question and we will discuss one by one all three methods. So I have one question: find the HCF of 12, 30 and 54. So this question we will solve by factor method. So we will write the factors of each number. So here I am writing the factors of 12. So the factors of 12: 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Factors of 30 are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, 30. Factors of 54 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18, 27 and 54. So in this way you have to write all the factors of given numbers. Then you have to see which factors are common in all three. So we are observing 1 is appearing in all three. 2 is also appearing, then 3 also appearing, and what? And 6 is also appearing. So we will write the common factors 1, 2, 3 and 6. Therefore HCF of 12, 30 and 54 is 6. This is our HCF. So we have discussed the first method, that is factor method. Now we will solve the same question by second method, that is our prime factorization method. So we have to find out the prime factors of each. Means 12, we have to divide the 12 by first prime number, that is 2. So when we divide the 12 by 2, it will go 6 times. So we have written 6 here. Then this 6 we have to divide it again by 2 and it will go 3 times. Now 3 is divided by 3, then it will go 1 time. So in this way you have to divide till we got 1. जब तक 1 ना आ जाए तब तक divide करते रहना है. So we can write this one 12 as 2 multiplied 3. These are 2 multiplied 3, 12 written. This is prime factorization of 12. In this way you have to find out the prime factorization of 30. 30 will divide by 2, it will go 15 times. Now 15 is not divisible by 2, then we will try next prime number, that is 3. So 3, it will go 5 times because 3 5s are 15. Now we have to 5, so 5 we will divide it by 5 and it will go 1 time. So you can write the prime factorization of 30 as 2 multiplied 3 multiplied 5. 2 multiplied 3 multiplied 5, prime factorization of 30. Then 54 divided by 2 again, means you have to divide by the prime numbers, smallest prime number, then try next prime numbers. So it will go 27 times. 27 2 ja 54. Now 27 is not divisible by 2, then we will try the next by 3. So it will go 9 times. 27 divided by 3, it will go 9 times. Now 9 is divided by 3, how many times? 3 times. And 3 is divided by 3, how many times? No, 1 times. So you got the 1, then stop the division. Then you have to write the prime factorization of 54. So 2 multiplied 3 multiplied 3 multiplied 3, 2 multiplied 3 multiplied 3 multiplied 3. So this is your 50. So in this way you have to write all the prime factorization of numbers 12, 30 and 54. So here you have to search the common factors appearing. Which are the common? Now 2 is common here, 2 is common appearing, and 3 is also common, 3. So you have to write 2 and 3. Then HCF you will get, just multiplied the common factors. So multiplied 2 multiplied 3, now 6. 6 is the HCF. So this is our second method, that is a prime factorization method. Next we will solve same the question by continued division method. Continued means लगातार हमको divide करना है, continued division method. So we will take first two numbers 12 and 30. पहले हम लोग दो नंबर को ले लेंगे. Suppose these two numbers I am selecting here, 12 and 30, and now we are dividing here 30 by 12. How many times it will go? Now 2 times. 12 to is 24. Remainder is 6. So remainder is not 0. So it is continued division method. So this 12 will come here, and now 6 is divisor and 12 is dividend. Now 12 divided by 6, how many times it will go? Now 2 times. 6 to 12. So you are getting the 0 remainder. In division you have to find the quotient and remainder. So remainder is 0. When remainder is 0? Now when divisor is 6. So last divisor is 6. So HCF of 12 and 30 is 6. Divisor is the HCF in this case. Now one number, that is 54, was left. So we have to find out the HCF of 6 and 54. So we are dividing 54 by 6. 54 को 6 से divide करना है. So how many time it will go? 9 time, and remainder is 0. So you got the remainder 0. So we got the remainder 0 when divisor is 6. So HCF of 12, 30 and 54 is 6. So in this way we have observed the answers are same whether we have used different methods. फैक्टर मेथड में भी HCF 6 आया, प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड में भी HCF 6 आया, और कंटिन्यू डिवीजन मेथड में भी 6 ही आया HCF. So in question, if asking factor method, then use factor method. If question asking use prime factorization method, then use prime factorization method. If question asking use continued division method, then you have to use continued division method. So thanks to watch this video, and if you have any problem, then you can comment in this video. Thank you for watching.